So I have solved the question 1 of the set coder problem, at coder's DP contest problem, using a recursive approach. Now let us solve it by a bottom-up approach, which is an iterative solution. So let's convert this recursive version into an iterative version. How to do this? So helper function is not. I'm not going to use this helper function. So I'm going to comment out it. Base case which is given to us is that for I equal to 0, return 0. So dp0 is equal to 0. It is given to us. And we are going from I equal to n minus 1 to 0. Now we will be going from n minus 1 to 1. N minus 1 to 0. But we have already covered the case of 0. So we are going to run this loop in reverse direction from 1 to n minus 1. So for I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, what is I didn't declare its data type. Now I can just copy paste this solution in this for loop. Tab and tab. Index is defined. That's fine. I only need to replace dp I minus 1 and here I need to replace it by dp I minus 2 and note this written. Here I've written dp and minus 1. Where my dp state is, what is the minimum cost required? What is the minimum cost till reaching index I? DPI states this. Okay. So DPI minus 1 is going to give us the answer for a complete n length array. Let's see if this case is working fine or not. Where should I go? Let's copy this test case and just run this here. It should run. Yes, it is running well and fine. Let us submit this code also. Uh, Open file, version 1. Should I comment out my helper function? That I should do it. Open file and then I will submit this. What happened? Submit. Now it is running fine and let's submit this code. So yes, it is running well. Can we still optimize it? Like our space complexity is O of n. Can we reduce it somehow? So base case is dp0 equal to 0. Okay. For int I equal to 1. what I can do is I can store, see, I can see here I minus 1 and I minus 2. Only these two value I require to compute the current value. Okay. So can I do this problem in three variables, using three variables? Something is coming in my mind. It can be, I can declare it int previous equal to 0 and int second previous also equal to 0. Let's check if it is going to work or not. dp, I will replace dp I minus 1 with priv and it with second previous, second previous, and it is x, it is y. What is dpi? dpi is going to be current value int current current current. I can define it here only in current. Should I initialize it with 0 or int max? It is also int max. Now current become min. After doing this operation, I can say that my second previous now become previous and my previous become current. And here I should written current. Current, let us check this problem also. Copy this test case and I'm going to run it. Paste. So yes, it is giving us the correct solution. So I have reduced my space complexity to O of 1 now. Any other optimization that I could do here? Hmm, I couldn't think of any other approach. Okay, then. So this was the problem one of EdCoder's DP contest. Thank you.